Attention, fans have encountered fake official after. My point is not about how you're going to fix a plane. Let's focus on this fan friend. How did he encounter the fake official after-sales service and the entire process? My fan friend, he is from Xinjiang. His plane flew over Salimu Lake one day. There may not be enough blades. Mix some blades. When he was paddling in place, this plane, it's spinning around where it is, but he didn't think much of it. I thought as long as I could fly, so it flew after flying. Plus, the wind that day is relatively strong, flying fast. You will know the result. Did it blow up? Basically, the appearance is fried like this. In fact, what about this appearance? It looks fine. So he thought, well, shouldn't be too serious. It shouldn't be a big problem to go to the official to fix it. He may have thought so at the time. I searched for this DJI on a certain level, received the so-called after-sales service. Hurry up and send the plane there. It was sent. It was sent. The other party quoted him a sky-high price, called 1,807. He thought to himself, I don't have to pay that much for a used bare metal. It will cost you 187. Then I'm definitely not doing it. Is it? So he thought of me here. He puts my video in every issue. It's all from beginning to end. Look very carefully. You've been following me for a long time. This time, I finally had the opportunity to fix the machine for me. He didn't think about it that much at the time. Just communicate with me. Then he said that he would directly ask the after-sales service to forward the plane to me. And I thought, well, it's not a big problem. However, there is a doubt. He said he sent the machine past shipping costs. It was also sent by him. You have to pay for forwarding it to me. Okay, I thought I have dealt with Shai-Qing many times. I have never heard that the customer has to pay the freight by himself. Yeah, never heard of it. I was curious at the time. I didn't get it, but I didn't think too much about it. Maybe it's because of the distance. Or maybe the machine has been out of warranty for too long. Maybe, so I didn't think too much. And then the next day, the customer sent this machine to me. I saw the logistics information. Then I suddenly realized that address is wrong at first glance. What about the shipper? They all use private names. There's also a private mobile number. This is obviously not after. So I quickly called to communicate with this fan friend. I said that your machine has encountered a fake official after-sales service. And I also called to check with him. The address is not official at all. He said, no matter how much, send the machine to me first. As for what happened inside, it's up to fate. As soon as the machine receives it, I took an unpacking video, one shot to the end to prove this machine. It's what it looks like now. It hasn't started testing yet. I will show you the detection in one mirror to the end. What the hell is going on? What about this unpacking video? I have sent it to my fans and friends. He confirmed that there is no problem. The appearance is okay. Now start testing in situations like this. Should I power on the test first? To be honest, try not to go on because you don't know if the cable inside the other party is buckled casually or half of it is deducted. If you don't buckle half of it, you can plug it in directly. Maybe there is a short circuit, right? Although I don't want to doubt others like this, but be prepared for the worst possibility, the serial number of the fuselage. I have checked, what about this serial number? There is no problem. It's a normal serial number. Normal machine. The original UV glue is still here. Is this the real official after-sales service? That's not right. Then take it apart. I really feel that the original UV glue is still here. But this screw, I can see, this screw is obviously screwed. There are traces of being screwed. This sticker doesn't seem to have been moved. If you want to take this apart, GPS and core board, this sticker will definitely move. I don't feel it moving. Did the other party not even open it? It's incredible. No, the other party didn't open it at all, did they? All our original UV glue. The other party didn't open it at all. You can take a look at the screw at the tail. The screw does not show any traces of being screwed. I can power on with confidence. It shouldn't be a problem. Turn it on and take a look. Don't even connect the remote control. Just turn it on like this. It feels like it's okay. The other party quoted 187. What kind of gimbal controls? What kind of thing is broken? It's very vague. I didn't say exactly what's broken. Give a rough idea. I went and there was no error. I'll see if the serial number... The serial number is also correct. Did you see that? You won a prize. He said there was a problem with the gimbal, but I don't seem to see any problems here. There's even reversing footage. This is a bit baffling. Why report more than 1,800? Let me guess. There are two possibilities. What about the first possibility? Fake official after-sales service. I'm here to fish. If you catch it, you catch it. Because there are a lot of brothers, unwilling to socialize. I don't want to go outside either. He is immersed in his own world. I'm very disdainful to use some of the latest software now. For example, deep still returning beam bumps. Some people don't even use WeChat like this brother. Go search and do what? It's easy to be deceived by this kind of fake after-sales service. It's not expensive to report more than 1,800 because he probably bought the plane at the time. Everyone knows that the Mini 4 Pro was quite expensive when it was first launched. Maybe it cost 4,000 or 5,000 when I bought it. They reported him more than 1,800. He thought to himself that when I bought it, it was 4,000 or 5,000. It is reasonable to repair more than 1,800 now. Maybe many brothers will fix it. That's the first possibility. They go fishing. What about the second possibility? The one I'm most worried about. I suspect he might switch everything inside. Since nothing in this one has moved, the first option is the most likely. Wait for the fish to take the bait. Fortunately, this fake official after-sales service and a bit of a work ethic. Everything inside is still alive and untouched. Thank you for not killing. Then the next step is very simple. Oh, what about this fan friend? Ask me. Get him a video of one-shot inspection and maintenance. So as to meet his request, just change the arm motor. It's a silky motor, but the small magnetic disc of the magnetic ring inside has fallen off. Therefore, this motor should also be replaced together. The rear axle is deformed. This shaft also needs to be replaced. Motor said the next step is to take apart this bottom cast too. What about the detailed tutorial of changing this GB? I have taken a video before. Therefore, I will not provide a detailed explanation.
If you want to buy drones, action cameras, or repair parts, you can enter the website address, jangyao.com, into your browser to enter the store. All kinds of parts, cameras, and drones are here. Enter the discount code Jangyao at checkout for a hidden bonus.
Left rear arm. It has a signal cable coming through here. The bottom case does not need to be removed. Detailed replacement process. As I said in my previous video, I won't go into details anymore. We take out one we have prepared, add the motor to the arm and replace it. Look at the length of this thread. Just leave it a little longer. The rotating shaft is also deformed to take out one of our good rotating shafts and replace it. Then just take a moment to walk the line back. It took a while. Run this line well. We'll put the cardboard back in. Get a battery. It doesn't seem to be any problem. It is also correct. Okay, try a poke. Okay, we have prepared a new set of our blades. Replace it. Replace it. What about its original set of blades? It's a mix. So I took it off. Try it with our brand new paddle. Let me tell you all in particular. This Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro. These three machines are actually more picky about this blade. Even if you are all original blades. But if you mix old and new, it may cause this machine to fly unstable. All will have this possibility. So everyone must pay attention when changing the blades. Try not to mix blades. This paddle is replaced by our original set. I'll paddle first. He said that when he used to, he would circle around in circles. See if this will work. Don't move at all. When everyone tests, you need to find a smooth ground to test. If there is a lot of friction on this ground, the test is invalid. Slippery ground like this, paddles in place. If it doesn't move, basically, it's fine. It's ready to take off. Now fly and test it out. Now, in my room, there are obstacles all around to test its obstacle avoidance. See if there is any problem. Push it higher. Look ahead. It stopped. Look at the plane again. It's not moving anymore. No matter how I push forward, it won't move. It stops back and forth. Because we are standing behind obstacle avoidance before and after is no problem. Let's look at left and right. Obstacle avoidance to the left. If you can only fly a little bit, you can't fly anymore. Adjust the direction to the right. Wow. If you stand a little bit further to the right, it flies. You also stop when you encounter an obstacle. No problem. Okay. Further to the left. You can also fly. There are no walls of air. These are no air wall. Okay. P, T, Z. The other party said after sales that there is a problem with the gimbal. Then I'll test the gimbal now. Pitch. The pitch of the gimbal is normal. It's no problem to zoom back to the center screen. The maximum of the screen is also very stable. Vertical shot, vertical shot. Pitch at the bottom and back in. There are no errors. It shows that there is nothing wrong with this machine. When everyone sends a machine to the after-sales service, be sure to figure it out which is the real after-sales service. Now, give me a number. You can remember that. 400, 700, 303, okay? Remember this number. Beijing National Unified After-Sales Services. If you are looking for after-sales service, you can call for a consultation through this phone number. How to send it for repair, you can consult. Don't say that you can search for it on a certain degree or treasure. I'll give you some answers. This fake after-sales service still have some conscience. Didn't touch anything inside. So then, now there is basically no loss to this machine. It was repaired at minimal cost. Video making is not easy. I hope everyone can connect 3 times with 1 click. Thank you.